Warning, this video contains a live animal being cooked. Some viewers may find this following content uncomfortable and disturbing. I want to assure you I felt bad for doing this, and I also want to assure you I made sure to turn this animal into an amazing dish. None of this food or content got wasted or thrown away. It's been served for the nourishment for my body. And also I want to say I love animals, so PETA, please don't come after me, bro.
What's good, y'all? You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Don. We back again with another video, son. So, I got some sad news today. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I didn't want to do it. Y'all probably read the title. It got so hyped. Oh, snap. Lobster rolls? But, like, I was hyped too, bro. You know what I'm saying? But then I got these dudes, bro. And I really got attached, low-key. Like that brief second me being with them, bro. Like, I really just, like... These some chill little dudes, bro. And then now I'm finally here. We're about to cook them up. And it's just like, you know what I'm saying? It's just sad, bro. It's just so sad, man. You know what I mean? But we're gonna make them fire, bro. We're gonna give them a nice little send off, man. We're gonna make sure they go out in a nice blazing blurry. You know what I'm saying? So for this meal, bro, it's so, I don't want to say simple, but it's not hard either. So for this meal, bro, we're not only making lobster rolls, we're also gonna make some homemade potato chips, bro. Not just some regular potato chips, we're making Old Bay potato chips, son. So I hope y'all ready. I hope y'all hungry, cause you know this thing about to be fire, bro. So let me tell y'all and show y'all what we're making for this dish, what we're gonna need for this meal right here, son.
Alright, so first off, bro, we're gonna need some butter. You know what I'm saying? So basically the butter, only thing its job is to butter up our bread. We're basically just gonna brown that baby up. I'll get to that later. But besides that, bro, we also need some mayo. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna be our star base for our sauce, for our spicy mayonnaise. Look, I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, I do not like mayonnaise at all. I don't know how many times I gotta tell y'all this, but I cannot stand mayonnaise. But spicy mayonnaise I can eat. But to order make spicy mayonnaise, bro, we're gonna need, first off, shout out to my cameraman for putting his hand in the shot. But we're gonna need some sriracha, bro. The sriracha right here, man, is really gonna give it a nice little kick and make it really just gonna taste so completely different. So if y'all don't like mayonnaise, y'all should really try spicy mayonnaise. But besides all that, bro, we're gonna need some potatoes, bro. So basically the potatoes is just an add-on, really. It's not really a necessity. So like basically, like I said before, we're gonna make it some homemade potato chips, you know what I'm saying? So basically we're just gonna slice it thin, like throw some Old Bay on it and stuff like that. But I get in the details in it in a little bit. But besides the potato, bro, we're gonna need a million important thing for our meal, which is some rolls, bro. So basically you can use any type of like hoagie roll that you want. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't really remember which rolls I specifically use. So basically we're just gonna cut up the ends and then like use our brown butter to get our buns nice and toasty, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so besides me looking like a dumbass and got caught lacking, bro, I really got caught lacking, bro. It's so embarrassing, but it's whatever. So besides the rolls, bro, we're gonna be needing some lobsters, man. Like, come on, bro, how can we have a lobster roll video without any lobsters, man? You know what I mean? So big shout out to my boy Larry and his family. They pulled up on me. It was like, hey, yo, bro, you trying to do this? And I was like, shit. So man, it's big shout out to them. We gotta make sure we put them in a t-shirt, bro. So like basically we're just gonna boil my mans up in a lot of salt. You don't really need to add too many seasonings. I mean, you could add Obey if you want to. I add a little tiny bit, but that's just how we looking, man. We got our potatoes, our hoagie rolls, our sriracha, our mayo, our butter, and my man Larry the Lobster, son. So I know y'all hungry, and I am too. So let's get right to the video, y'all. Let's get it.
What's good, y'all? You know what I'm saying? Welcome back and stuff like that, man. And so, this is the sad part, bro. I really low-key don't want to do this, but I got to, bro, because I'm hungry and, like, everybody makes lobster rolls, man. And I've been feeding for it, you know what I'm saying? And it just, so, let me just get to it, bro. So the first step, man, all you need to do is you need to get your boiling hot water, like boiling, you know what I'm saying? And then you want to have, like, throw a bunch of salt into it. So basically, like, you want to add salty like the ocean, you know what I'm saying? But before we get to that, bro, I just want to say, man, shout out to my man Larry, bro. You know what I'm saying? This man right here is a trooper, bro. Like, he's awesome, he's chill, bro. You know what I'm saying? And I really don't want to do this, y'all, but it's just like, lobster is so good. The meat is so rich, man, and this is like, that's why my energy's so low, cause he just a cool nigga, bro. So, and when you put him in there, bro, this is real messed up part, bro. You gonna want to put them head first in there, bro. So, and once you do that, you put a top over it, you know what I'm saying, a little bowl over for about 4 to 8 minutes. All depends how big they is. This guy's right here is about like 1.5 pounds. So yeah, so once you get that, I'll show you to the next step. So let's go and get to it, y'all. Let's get it.
All right, so you want to make sure you get your pot boiling hot before you put your lobster in, you know what I'm saying? So like once you get to like when it's absolutely boiling, you want to add like a buttload of salt into it, you know what I'm saying? So like that's basically what we're going to cook our lobster into. So once you do all that, bro, you would basically want to put your lobster head first into it. I know it's messed up, but that's what you got to do, y'all. And it's like once you do that, bro, you want to basically let it cook for about like 6 to 8 minutes, depending on the size. And once it's fully cooked, bro, it starts getting a beautiful red tint to it, son. So once it starts looking like that, that's, you know, your lobster is like ready, it's fully cooked and stuff like that. So once you finally pull it out, make sure you're nice and careful. But once you pull it out, put it in an ice bath. So that's just gonna help cool down the lobster and stuff like that. So yeah.
What's up, y'all? You know what I'm saying? Welcome back and stuff like that. So I got a confession, bro. So not really a confession, more like a admittment. So I thought I had a Maryland, whatever the thing is called, you know what I'm saying? But it turns out I don't. And so I gotta do the potato chips in a whole nother video. It's gonna probably be another like short and sweet, you know what I'm saying? I'll probably do this right after this video, you know what I mean? That's where we have everything together. But so after you got done with your lobster, this is basically how it look after you put it in the bath. You basically want to like a little ice bath and stuff, help cool it down, you know what I'm saying? Just till you get done with your other crab with your other lobsters and stuff like that. So that means we're basically almost done. So the only thing that really left is to either melt our butter, because we're gonna use brown butter. And what brown butter is basically just like butter that is brown. Basically, you just overcook the butter and it just turned brown, and we're gonna pour that on our chopped up crab lobster meat, you know what I'm saying? And then also we're gonna use it for our bread. And so, but what goes between all that, we're gonna do some spicy mayonnaise. And so to everybody who eats lobster rolls, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Look, I'm sorry, bro. But I don't like coleslaw, so we're not using coleslaw. And I don't like regular mayonnaise, so I'm not using regular mayonnaise. You know what I mean? So this is Dawn style lobster roll. Shit, I might add some cheese to it if I'm being quite honest with you. Niggas gonna be like, bro, why I know this dude didn't throw no cheese on a freaking lobster roll. We'll see when we get there. I'm gonna get so much hate if I do. All of that, then it's basically it. So I'll show you when we get done. So let's get it, y'all.
All right, so y'all, first thing y'all want to do, man, you want to get some mayo and slap that thing down in your bowl, you know what I mean? And then once you get done doing that, bro, you want to get your sriracha and just pour it in that baby. You know what I'm saying? And so if you don't want too much heat, bro, don't add that much heat. But me, I'm going to add some heat to it. But besides that, man, we're going to add some sugar to it, give a nice little sweetness to it, man. You know, so it kind of really help balance out the flavors and stuff like that. So once you get done adding everything, you just want to mix that baby in, son. Mix it all nice and smooth until you can't feel your wrist no more. When you can't feel your wrist no more, it start looking like this. You know what I mean? So let's get back to it, y'all.
What's good, y'all? You know what I'm saying? Welcome back. You know what I'm saying? So we just got done making the spicy mayonnaise. So let me tell you about this this lobster meat. So come over here. So this lobster meat right here, bro. Shout out to these guys, you know what I'm saying? They're a real trooper, bro. Like, we're gonna have to make these guys mad good. So, what you do, you just basically just pull the tail right on out like that. You know what I'm saying? Just like that. Then you'll get yourself a knife. Down your knife right in there. Look at that. Don't get good. So the edge at the end of the tail, basically, right in the booty hole. Gay. Just like that. Should basically just get open up like so. There you go. I don't know what this is. It might be poop. And that once you do that, you also just peel off the legs. Yeah. Get the claw. Be careful because it is kind of. You want to use the edge right here of your blade. Like crack it. Like so. Peel that thing off. You want to make sure you get all the meat as possible. There you go. So I'm gonna get this thing out. There you go. So claw meat, like so. Then you should be able to get this part in here too. Go. Let's get so. You know, you probably want an apron when you're doing this, but we get messy over at Don Entree. You know what I'm saying? Cooking is messy. You know what I mean? So once you get done doing that, you're just gonna chop up the meat up nice a little bit. Then basically that's it. So let's get to it, y'all. Let's get it.
Alright, y'all, so the first step is pretty freaking easy, you know what I mean? So basically what you want to do is, bro, you want to go ahead and grab your bread and cut up both ends of it. So the reason when you cut up both ends of it is because you want that butter to really soak up in there, you know what I'm saying? Before you get that rich, flavory taste to it, you know what I'm saying? So once you get done cutting up both ends of your bread, just go ahead and grab the bread and just throw it in the pan, you know what I'm saying? So little pro tip, when you're making your brown butter, what you want to do is you want to shift out the butter so you won't get all that clump and gunk into it. So once you do that, you're gonna pour a little bit of butter on top, and once you do that, it should come out looking like this, you know what I'm saying? So basically you let it cook for about like 2 or 3 minutes depending on your heat, you know what I'm saying? So once you get done with that, it's about time to assemble that baby. So we're gonna slap some spicy mayo to that thing. Once you get doing that, we're gonna throw some fresh behind lettuce on it, get that nice fresh crunch to it, you know what I mean? So once you do that, bro, we're gonna start adding our lobster meat. And once you add your lobster meat, you can just basically, it's done, and you can add whatever you want to it. But unfortunately for y'all, I added some cheese to it, you know what I'm saying? Got it all nice and pretty looking. But like, it didn't look like this, it looked like that, you know what I'm saying, son? Let's get back to it.
Welcome back and stuff like that. So we just got done making our bread, get all nice and crunchy and stuff like that. We got done making literally everything, right? You know what I'm saying? By the way, like I said before, bro, with the potatoes, that's gonna be a whole nother video, you know what I'm saying? That's a potato. with the chips, that's gonna be a whole nother video, you know what I'm saying? But I got a confession. You know how I said I might add cheese, I might not? I'm gonna get so roasted for this, bro, but like, I added cheese, bro. I'm not gonna lie, and I cut it in half, but you know what I'm saying? So we got done making everything, we got done explaining everything, we got done cooking everything. So only thing left to do is to try the thing, you know what I'm saying? This is how we're looking, bro. Nice and crunchy, got a nice ton of meat, cheese, and mayo on it. You know what I'm saying? With crab meat, bro, you don't really want it. With crab meat, lobster, any type of seafood, really, you don't really want to add too much stuff to it because you just throw the whole flavor off. So I'm done talking, so let's go and try this bad boy. So I cut it in half, make it easier to like take a bite of, but this is how we looking, man. So let's go and try it. Bro. Hold up, bro. Bro. Yo. That thing good, boy. You know what I'm saying, bro? Like the bread has a nice little like crunch behind it, but like that smoothness of the butter and like the meat, it's just so like sweet and like juicy. Plus a little bit of a tiny bit of seasoning to add to it, and then like honestly, bro, I don't even need a cheese, but that thing is fire, bro. That thing is straight fire. Hold on. I'm gonna take one good bite. Look at that thing, son. It's like, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Sorry. That thing good, boy. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. All that fun stuff you can check out the next video. So, see you up to the next video. Let's get it scared when I pull the lobster out.
For what?
You gonna get scared, nigga. You got scared when I pulled that nigga out. You like,
because
nah.
you had that shit all close and shit.
Nigga, I had it right here, bro. You was like, nah, get that shit away from me, bro.
Nigga, I don't know what that nigga on. He might got beat. He the one got beat. You the one cooking that nigga.
He's chilling. He was just chilling, bro.
Y'all niggas talking about me? No, that's that nigga, bro. He about to cook your ass.
Hey, bro, like, I'm gonna make sure you taste good as hell, bro. Like, your death ain't gonna be in vain, bro.
Nah, nigga, fuck you, nigga.
Hey, if I was in this bag, I'll beat your ass, nigga, and fuck your bitch.
Nigga, I'm about to snap y'all dick off. Nigga, what?
Nigga, what?
Your dog like.